BeastieBoyDrumma. You know it's BeastieBoyDrumma. I said it's BeastieBoyDrumma, cause it's no one hotter than BeastieBoyDrumma. Now we have the 1996 Honda Accord. We're about to change out our interior door handle here. You see mine is broke off here, so I'm about to change that out, replacing it with this one here. It's not the exact same color, but I thought it was going to be the same color, but it's not. Just, oh well, had to do what I had to do. And these are tools I'm going to be using today: Phillips head screwdriver and a flat. Now I was going to use the flat in case I have to pop this. It's supposed to be a little cover piece over my Phillips head screw here, but it's not, so I'm going to have to use something else. Start off first by taking this screw out. Let's get this out of the way. My first time changing the door handle, but let's see how it works out though. Alright, got the screw out of the way. Let's use our flat head to pry this loose, which it shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. Alright, pops right out. That's a little clip right here that I will have to pry up. I don't know if you can see inside of there. It's a little clip right there that you have to pick up. Not really that hard. I'm just making it look a lot harder than what it is. Let me see. I think I was going from the wrong angle at it. As it should just pry right up from it. Yeah, like so. Let's go ahead and unclip my well, y'all can see that for sure. There's a clip right here that goes to my locks. Alright, got that out. And this hook should just pop right out. Yep, there we go, got that off. This is my old handle here. This is where the hook goes into there and it clips on. And your wire harness right here clips in the bottom of here. Let's go ahead and change out, put our new one up. Now, my new one came with the handle, but it didn't come with the actual lock unlock, so I would have to transfer that over. For my old one here, that has 2 Phillips screws on the back here. I'm going to take those out. See if we can do this on camera. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna have to sit this down with something real quick. Just to break this other screw loose. Now this right here is an easy DIY mod, do-it-yourself mod. This is not really a mod, just repairing, actually, repairing my door handle here. Alright, take those 2 screws out and the whole thing comes out like that. This is my handle here, my lock unlock button. Gonna be placing it into my new one here, like so. Should fit right in the exact same way. That's what it looks like. Screw these in. Hold on, I'm gonna screw this in. I'll be right back. I have to sit this down on something to screw it in. Hold on. Alright, I have it screwed in now. When you screw it in, I think it only fits in one way, but you have to make sure that your harness is facing the bottom. As your handle goes in, make sure it's facing downward. Alright, we should be ready for installation. Now, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up my harness first. That just clips right back in. And also one thing you have to make sure is when you put these in here, these clips have to go in and then you slide them back. These 3 clips here. Putting my handle back in. Alright, feel like it's about in there. Just have to make sure this clamped down good. Hold on, I gotta take out a look at something real quick. Okay, the reason I took it, I just want to look at the bottom of it, make sure the bottom of it didn't need nothing taken out of it. Make sure that the bar just pushes all the way through. That's all I have to do. So all you have to do is just wiggle it in there. Then I'm going to put this clamp on it now. May need some pliers or something for that. No, may need some extra tools, y'all. It's just hard to get your hand in here to push it around to it. Alright, not needed. Just push it in there, just put a little bit of force in there and it does go in there. As you can see, there's clamps right up there. Put my harness back on now. And there we have it. Let's see if we can slide it back in here, right? It's all the wrong color, but it'll be all right. Goes there. Then we're gonna throw our screw back in here. All right, and there we have it. This is the little button that I was talking about at first that my other one didn't have. Clamp that down. And there we have it. Let's test it out, make sure. All right, it's moment of truth right here, everybody. Let's test it out. Door is closed. Yes, and it opens. And also don't forget to take off your plastic so you can see the nice chrome shining on it. Ooh, look at there. All right, now you have it, everybody. That's how you replace your interior door handle on a 1996 Honda Accord. Go.